Energy is the key to unlocking uncharted frontiers for humanity. It holds limitless potential and turns bold technological visions into reality. How to harness vast energy power and achieve safer, more efficient energy production and utilization has become a defining challenge for today's pioneers. CYG SUNRI, born extraordinary. Over 30 years of innovation and excellence. As a wholly owned subsidiary of Chungyang Technology Group Limited, CYG SUNRI is committed to the mission of for a safer and easier use of energy. Guided by a development strategy focused on intelligence and digitalization, the company has remained deeply rooted in the energy and power sector, pursuing continuous innovation through dedication and practical exploration. Advancing in step with the times, we were born to meet the evolving needs across every link of the power system. Grounded in the intelligent manufacturing of secondary power equipment, we are building a synergistic, dual new industrial ecosystem, driven by the digitalization of smart grids and the integrated development of energy sources, grids, loads, and storage within the new power and new energy landscape. With comprehensive qualifications and a complete system of capabilities, we are opening a new chapter in energy and power services. By leveraging the technical strengths of 5 major R&D bases and collaborating with an extensive network of domestic and international branches and subsidiaries, we deliver differentiated solutions to clients around the globe. We are steadily advancing toward our vision of becoming a globally recognized national brand in the intelligent and digital transformation of industrial and power systems. Guided by innovation and driven by every incremental step, CYG SUNRI continues to move forward, deepening our exploration of the industry and gathering the momentum for sustained growth. We collaborate with top talent to build world-class research platforms, foster continuous innovation, nurture skilled professionals, and drive technological progress, empowering the industry to achieve transformative breakthroughs. We are dedicated to quality with an unwavering focus on detail, striving to ensure every element of our craftsmanship meets the highest standards. With intelligent manufacturing as our wings and innovation as our engine, we drive the green transition, build a world-leading smart manufacturing ecosystem, and lead the industry into a new era of sustainable, intelligent development. We are steadfast in our pursuit, persistent, determined, and embodying a spirit where effort leads to reward, and responsibility goes hand in hand with honor. Driven by innovation, we focus on new quality-driven productivity, leading technological progress and pioneering industry transformation. We lay a solid green foundation for high-quality development, enhancing quality through innovation and advancing towards sustainable green growth. CYG SUNRI collaborates with global strategic partners to build a smart energy network and co-create a greener energy future. As the era poses its questions, our steps forward provide the answers. CYG SUNRI actively responds to the national call to accelerate the development of a new type power system, fast-tracking the construction of a resilient, digital, and intelligent grid. Advancing the clean and low-carbon transformation of energy and leading the way into a new era of power innovation. Embracing our mission as a pioneer, we harness the power of nature, channeling every beam of light and breath of wind into the pulse of a new era of development. Seizing the moment, we raise the torch of energy security high, delivering CYG SUNRI's intelligent solutions to over 80 countries and regions, and powering sustainable energy development worldwide. At critical moments, we uphold the CYG SUNRI speed, driven by our original mission, perfected through craftsmanship, and empowered by exceptional delivery capacity to make the extraordinary possible. The winds of a new era have sounded the call to gather. Trailblazers rise to meet their mission. Under the far-reaching Belt and Road Initiative, CYG Sunri actively contributes to building a global community with a shared future for humanity. By bridging cultures through energy technologies, we foster connectivity, light up global aspirations, and share the power of sustainable development. We pursue our vision with vitality, advance with conviction, and embrace the future by shaping it ourselves. Powered by innovation, CYG Sunri safeguards China's dual carbon strategy and charts a visionary blueprint for the future of power. Together with global partners, we're making energy safer, smarter, and more accessible.